Anya, please take the lead and begin.
Hello everyone. Welcome to the monologue contest, where our words become stars and our screens light up with storytelling magic. While most of the people are dreaming of success, winners wake up and work hard to achieve it. My name is Anya, and I am your online host, and I'm absolutely excited to have each one of you here. This isn't just a contest, it's a chance for us to unleash our inner storytellers with a dash of drama, humor, and emotions.
If you are a true learner, competition doesn't scare you, it makes you better. So let's keep it real, keep it fun, and let those stories flow. It's not about perfection, it's about sharing a piece of yourself. Get comfy, get ready, and let's make this digital space buzz with our monologues. Break a virtual leg, everyone. Here's to laughter, tears, and unforgettable monologues. Let us hear a virtual round of applause, everyone.
So, dear audience, to judge this event, we have Mrs. Hema Bhatia, who is an award winning educator, public speaking coach, and English trainer, helping individuals of all ages master spoken English, creative writing, and personality development. From young learners to professionals, she guides her students in overcoming communication barriers, refining their writing skills, and building a powerful presence. With years of experience in corporate training workshops and one on one coaching and result oriented. No, she makes learning engaging, practical, and result oriented. We are honored to have you, ma'am. Please share a few words.
Thank you so much, children. I can see that you all are really, raring to go to share your monologues. So before we start, I just have one thing to tell you. Monologues is all about getting into that character. Okay, so remember the three things. Okay, remember apt, be authentic when you are delivering, be into that character. P stands for your pause, your pace, and the punch that you get in your monologue delivery. And T is how you are connecting, okay, together with your audience. So that always keep in mind. And I'm all set to listen to some wonderful monologues from your end. Thank you so much for having me here and giving such a great welcome. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. I now hand it over to our mentor, Miss Sana Nazif, to conduct this virtual contest.
Thank you so much, Ahan. Thank you so much, dear students. And thank you so much, Ms. Hema Bhatia, for sharing such inspiring words and guiding them and motivating the young learners. So once again, a very warm welcome, dear audience, parents, and our special guest and judge for the day, Ms. Hema Bhatia. So dear parents, I would like to inform you that this monologue contest is all about wherein children will be showcasing their talent. They will be presenting their individual monologues, and they will be marked on their presentation skills, how they are pausing, how they are showing their facial expressions, their gestures, their voice modulation. Everything will be marked. And the confidence with which they are speaking in front of the audience. So, without further ado, I invite my speaker number one, Ahan, to present his monologue on English class. Ma'am, I would just like to mention here that Ahan hurt his leg, so he will be sitting and presenting the monologue. So we have to consider this, please.
Hello,
Ahan,
everyone.
Ahan, please repeat the phrase, I'm the
Okay.
best.
I'm the best.
You are audible. You may begin, please.
Hello, everyone. My name is Ahan Gupta, and today I'm going to present a monologue about English class, wherein a frustrated teacher deals with a rowdy class. Alright, class, listen up. Because of last week's event, we are going to try this again. Everyone, get out your pencils and no throwing them this time. Jane, put that cell phone away. I will not hesitate to take it. Sean, stop trying to light Cindy's hair on fire. There's barely any left from last time. Jason, don't you dare throw the chair out of the window. Jason! Jason! Ah, you guys are worse today than yesterday. And now I have to replace that window. I'm calling the principal. Hello, Mr. Tom. We need you in the fifth grade classroom. What do you mean you are busy? Okay, class, new test. We are going to see how good are you at finding a new teacher. Because I quit. I want to be a janitor. Adios. Thank you. I'm on mute.
Thank you so much, Ahan. We take a pause for the judge to do the marking. I now invite my speaker number 2, Anya, to present her monologue on puppy sitter. Anya, are you ready?
Yes,
Please repeat the phrase, I'm the best.
I'm the best.
You are audible. You may begin, please.
Hello everyone, my name is Anya and today I'm going to present my monologue, The Puppy Sitter, wherein a teen dog sits a friend's puppy. So, Cheryl asked me to watch her puppy, Oscar. She says, Zara, would you mind watching my puppy for a few days? I said, yes, sure, no problem, no problem. I mean, how bad could it be to watch an innocent, harmless, cute little puppy? Right? Right? Wrong. It was a nightmare if there ever was one. Look at me. Do you see the bags under my eyes? I look like I went running 12 rounds with Muhammad Ali. This puppy has not stopped barking and whining all night. Woo, woo, woo. I tossed and turned and tossed and turned some more. Finally, it was time to go to work. I was actually excited to go to work for once in my life. But guess what? When I walked into my kitchen, I found myself sliding all the way across the kitchen and flat dead on my back and butt. I have bruises the size of boulders. Dog pee? Yuck! Oh my god! Well, this was just day one. The worst days are still ahead. God, please bless me. Thank you.
Thank you, Anya. You may take your seat. We take a pause for the judge to do the marking. I now invite my speaker number 3, Samyak, to present his monologue on will. Samyak, are you ready?
Yes,
Please repeat the phrase, I'm the best.
I'm the best.
You are audible, but be a little more loud. Okay?
Okay.
Begin.
Hello everyone. My name is Samyak, and today I'll be presenting a monologue about Will. Will isn't very good at maths. His maths teacher is not being nice to him, so he decided to hide in the bathroom during maths class from now. I am never coming out. Don't tell. I'm just gonna stay here. I hate this class. I hate Mr. Stupid. She's always mean to me. It's not fair. She made me do the same problem 6 times yesterday. She tells me I don't listen. I do listen. Please, she's just too mean. Don't tell her where I am. I'll just stay during maths in the bathroom during maths class from now on. That's all. I don't care what anybody says. Thank you.
Thank you, Samyak. You may take your seat. We take pause for the judge to do the marking. I now invite my speaker number 4, Suha, to present her monologue on babysitter rules. Suha, are you ready? Please repeat the phrase, I'm the best.
Best.
No, Suha, you're not clear.
I'm the best.
Yes, come little closer, sweetie.
Hello everyone. My name is Suha Yunuspeg. Today I'm going to present a monologue on babysitter rules. It's on a babysitter is not who mom thinks she is. Don't worry, Linda. I'll take great care of your kids. I have lots of experience with kids, so I know what to do when they misbehave. Bye. Now listen, you little brats, and the boss here. So you do everything that I ask you to do exactly when I say it. Here are the rules. Rule number 1. You don't question, you just do it. Rule number 2. Don't tell anything that I do to your mother. Always tell her I'm the best babysitter. You wouldn't want me to lose my job, would you? Rule number 3. You eat what I make or you don't eat at all. Rule number 4. If I have a company, don't talk to them and go into the basement. Rule number 5. If I make a mess, you clean it. I'm your guest, not the other way around. Rule number 6. No crying aloud. Okay, these are the rules. Go have fun. Little brats, thank you.
Thank you, Suha. You may take your seat. We take pause for the judge to do the marking. Meanwhile, our judge is doing the calculations and figuring out the different positions backed by our students. I would love to take feedback from the parents. Ahan, is your mom around? Yes, please unmute yourself, Ahan. Yes, ma'am. Would love to hear from you
Yeah.
about Ahan.
Actually, ma'am, it cannot stand, so I just
No
have to
worries.
sit here and tell.
No
Yeah, it was a
problem.
good experience, and thank you for giving such a platform to Ahan, where he can showcase his talent. And we are so happy to see him improving and doing whatever you are teaching. So it was a great, great experience we are experiencing. So thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for your kind words. Highly appreciate. Samyak, is your mom around?
Yes.
Ma'am, would love to hear from you about your experience.
Actually, he's doing very good for me. So I'm very happy for him. He's learning from starting, compared to from starting until date, he's doing very good. So I'm very happy for him. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Highly appreciate that. Anya, is your mom around? No, she's not there. Suha, what about you?
Parents is not there.
Okay, no worries, no problem. So Anya, since mom is not here, you can share your experience. Yes? How are you feeling after delivering your first performance in front of everyone? Come on, share your thoughts.
After sharing my first speech, I'm really eager to know the results, and I had fun learning monologues and practicing them.
That's lovely. So are you feeling confident after today's contest?
Yes.
That's lovely. Give me a high five. Yes? Great. What about you, Suha?
Evening after the monologue, I was feeling happy and excited.
Okay. And are you feeling confident or you're still very nervous?
I'm confident and
Okay, first
I'm
of all, sit straight. Don't move, sweetie. The posture should be straight. Sit smartly. Yes.
I'm feeling confident, excited, and happy.
Very good. That's great. So, ma'am, over to you.
Wow. What lovely monologues those were. I must say, Miss Sana, all the children are very confident. They are, yes, they are very confident. So, according to monologues, monologues is all about getting into that character and getting the audience related to that character just with your voice. Just with your voice. So that is what I was looking out for. And I must say, I was very happy. Apart from that, let me share that on the basis of confidence, they all are at the same level. Okay, they have scored the same for the level of confidence. It was really tough for me to actually, sit and see. And believe me, there is not much of a difference in the scores. Yes, but here, as it's a contest, it's always the winners and the learners. There are no losers here. It's
Definitely.
just the winners and the learners. Learners, so you learn where you need to get a transformation in your speaking skills. Okay, so how excited are you all?
Very excited.
Very excited. This is the first contest, no, children?
Yes.
Yes?
Super
Okay.
excited.
Super excited. Okay. So, tell me, children, who do you think will, who do you think will be the, okay, Miss Sana, let me share.
I didn't call my that script.
Sorry,
I didn't learn my script.
you didn't learn your script.
No. I didn't told.
You did, as in?
I didn't told
Which one, beta?
my script.
You will get a chance. She will be proposing a vote of thanks. That will be great.
I thought so. I thought so.
Yes, I will
That will
invite
be,
you for that.
yes, will be given the chance, Suha. So all they are 8 years old, 9 years old.
Yes, they are very young learners, ma'am. And the way they have picked up everything so well.
Oh, I
is
must say
simply
they are
amazing.
too good for 8 years and 9 years. Okay. So now the third place is a tie. Okay, with exactly the same scores. Okay. Third place is a tie, and we have who is speaker number 1 and speaker number 2 at the third place.
Speaker number 1 and
2.
okay. So it's Ahan and Anya.
Yeah.
Okay.
Now coming to the second position. What are your guesses?
Samyak. Samyak.
Yes, it is Samyak. No, it's not Samyak. I'm sorry. It's not Samyak. It's Suha. And position 1 is Samyak. So I'll share the reason. When we are doing a monologue, the way he was presenting, I actually felt he's that child who doesn't like the teacher, who doesn't like math. He actually connected with that voice, that pitch that he had, why very low pitch, sounding very sad. So, monologue is all about that, transfixing your audience with just your voice. And the way you mold your voice automatically molds your expressions. It automatically connects with your hand gestures. So I really felt, oh, this child doesn't like math. I actually got connected with that character. So well done. As I mentioned, monologue is all about getting into the character, feeling what that character is feeling. Suha, yes, the babysitter with the rules. Okay. Although with the rules, it was when you try to understand the personality, that babysitter was a bit dominant, isn't it? And she was trying to threaten the kids, isn't it? Yes. That is why the backstory is given to each and every monologue, so that we understand what the character is feeling. Okay. So, a little more strong voice, a little strength in voice was required. Otherwise, too good. Even the other Anya and Ahan, I'll tell you, it was just a fraction of a difference, not much difference. You all did great. It is just when we have monologue, get into that character. Understand what that character is feeling. Each and every line has to be delivered with a different emotion. Okay, I say that on the basis because I have been, I am, what do I say? Okay, I'm a voiceover artist. Yeah. So that is why I was, very happy when I was invited by Miss Sana to take over the role of a judge for the monologue. That's all from my side, and all the children, very well done. Very well done. As I said, they scored equal on confidence, all of them. Confidence was at par.
Thank you so much, Miss Emma, for that feedback. And definitely we will continue working on the feedback that you have given. It is quite constructive, and happy to hear that they have become confident speakers. Winning and losing, as we all know, is part of just game. And it's not actually losing, like you very rightly mentioned, we are learners and we continue to learn on this journey. So that's all from our side. Suha, you may now propose a vote of thanks, please. She's very excited for that.
Fabulous. What a fabulous contest we witnessed today. The monologues were constructive, focused, and encouraging. Let me thank our judge for the evening, Mrs. Hema Bhatia, for being here. On behalf of the Speak and Shine group, please accept this token of our appreciation. And we look forward to seeing you again. And I would also like to thank our group coach, Mrs. Sana Nazif, for helping us accelerate a journey of confident speaking. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, everyone, for joining. Enjoy the rest of your day. It's me, Suha, signing off. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Suha, for that wonderful vote of thanks. Thank you, children, for joining the class. Thank you, dear parents. A very heartfelt thank you to Ms. Hema Bhatia for judging the contest and giving constructive feedbacks to these young learners. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you, everyone. See you in the next class. Take care. Ahan, take good care of yourself. Yes?
Okay. Bye.
Bye-bye. Take care.
Bye. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.